I will be packing lunch for the kids because they're going to Nana's house. Ang ganda ng strawberries ng Costco.
Mama? When I come to you, I was hiding in and
You wanna help me with Indy? Are you sure you don't wanna go play with Nana and Papi? Because Dada can drop you off at Nana and Papi. It's okay. I'll take care of Indy. Okay? Thank you for your offer. Sama daw siya sa akin. Tulungan niya daw ako kay Indy. Oh, when you're 10. Yeah, sure. When you're 10. Alright, keep eating. Finish your breakfast so you can go to Nana's. Daddy's getting ready now. Punta sila kina Sharon kasi may doctor's appointment sa India. Who's ready to go to Nani's house? Me. What are you gonna do there?
My computer. Play toys.
Play with your computer?
And cars.
Cars! Meron siyang blocks doon, tapos binibuild niya. Tapos sabi niya computer daw niya yun. Do you think the last one you built is still there? No? You have to build a new computer?
Yeah.
That's okay.
So
That's fun.
So I put these in, and then the big block is the cardboard. And we going home?
After Nana's, yeah. So I'm picking them up, yeah? Yeah. I'll pick you up, okay? With Indy. Okay. Good job, guys. Put that on. Wait, you know where to put that, Alo? Good boy, Alo. Good boy.
And Daddy stay here.
No.
And Mommy?
No, Daddy will drop you off. Is that a good idea?
And Mama?
Alright, let's go, guys.
Yeah, okay, go. Bring your backpack.
Shoes.
This is my backpack.
It is your backpack.
Okay, you bring your shoes.
Heavy.
Oh, heavy.
Look at that.
Oh.
I better on my.
Oh, he wants to wear it. He's been wanting to do this. Oh my goodness, where are you going?
Off to school you go.
Do you want to go to school?
Yeah.
Oh.
Backpack.
Say goodbye to Indy. That's what Ate does. She
Bye.
give her a big kiss.
Yeah. Nah.
Ah, you have your coat on you. Okay. Ah, Isla's gonna give her a big kiss. Bye, beautiful. I'm staying with you, beautiful girl. I love you. Bye, baby.
Bye.
You enjoy it, okay?
Bye.
Love you. Oh my gosh, you give the best kisses. Hello, what's Nani gonna say about your hair? Nice. What's Poppy gonna say about it? Nice.
So pretty.
Hello, your shoes, your Crocs. Hello.
How are your Crocs?
His bag is heavy.
Heavy.
It's okay. Daddy's got it.
Okay. Put the right feet, get the feet right. Yeah, that's right. Yep.
Good job, Hello.
Perfect.
No.
Wow.
Nakaalis na ang aking dalawang kids and si Daddy. Happy si Indy dun sa baba. So, let's put sunscreen. Beauty of Hoso na sunscreen. Ililive ko yung link nito sa baba, ha? Kasi ang ganda nitong sunscreen na to. Wala siyang white cast. Tapos, ang bilis niya lang i-blend. Ito din yung paboritong sunscreen ni Miss E. And I got it from YesStyle. Ang ganda nito, guys. Kung hindi nyo pa ito na-try. Beauty of Hoso. Meron akong 10% off sa YesStyle, Razel 10. Hindi siya tinted, pero sa sunscreen, mas prefer ko yung hindi tinted. Kasi parang hindi ko ma-imagine na ganito kadaming lalagay sa mukha tapos tinted pa. Kasi ang hirap ko hanapan ng shade. So kami lang dalawa ni Indy. Itong mga water tints na to, ang ganda-ganda ng formula niya kasi hindi siya drying tapos ang dali-dali niya lang i-apply. It's not as long-lasting. Mas long-lasting yung fixing tint ng Etude House. Gusto ko siya, naglalast siya sa lips. Hindi ganyan yung kulay. Sa camera, medyo may pagka-dark siya. In real life, pinkish tong ano na to. Shade is Cranberry Plum, yung shade niya. Mas gusto ko kung ganyan yung shade sa camera. I'm not sure lang kung ano yung register nito kapag na-edit na upload na. Yan yung gusto ko. Medyo dark. In real life kasi pinkish siya eh. And then, lapatan ko nito. Kasi parang ang ganda ng shade niya oh. Kung dyan lang siya sa applicator. This is the shade Red Sangria. Ito yung glow tint. Now, sobrang dark na niya tingnan sa camera, but it's not. It's actually perfect. Yung combination ng dalawa. Sobrang dark sa camera, guys. Alright, let's go. Uy, nagwi-wave sa akin ang aking 2P-in. I need to get clothes for our Indy. Ang happy pa niya eh. I think we will leave mga 9:40. Yung appointment namin is 10:20. So, i-ready ko lang yung bag.
Is the weather nice? It's nice, isn't it?
Ang ganda ng weather today. Alright, so Indy's baby book. Let's double check. I know. I want to make sure. Yep, it's here. Mommy's cards. Just double check, baby. I've got my cards. Yep, that's that. Alright, I'll put your dummy and then we'll go. I'll put dummy in and then we'll go, okay? Mommy will drive. You're gonna be a good girl? Good girl. I'll take it away. I've got low tire pressure. Daddy needs to
keep left.
I wanna call Daddy now, but I know he's in his appointment. Text Daniel. Cancel.
Okay, cancelled.
Thank you. Maya na lang, baka mag-alala naman si Daddy. But hopefully I don't forget. Play A Beautiful Blur by Lainey on Spotify. Tapos na kami. May masaya tayong bata. Hello! Hello! Nandito kami sa Drake's. Bili tayo ng mga pagkain mo. Oh my gosh! Yeah, the doctor said you can eat 3 times a day na. That's a lot of food, lang. Are you ready to eat that much? Eh? She had 1 injection. So, bilhin natin to. Butternut pumpkin. Agoy, hindi nagdala si Mami ng bag. Let's grab a bag of pear as well. Magmi-meal prep ako ng mga kakainin itong ating Inday. Tsaka naman yan, B. I need bananas too, baba. Bananas. Get a lot of bananas. Get some sleep, my love. Good night. Good night, beautiful. Good night, lang lang. We need a big broccoli. This one. Mahal ba yan? Mahal yan, di ba? $2.90. Matigas pa, B. Ang tigas niya. Hala. Ang tigas, B. I need something na magagawa ko today. Doritos Dinamita. Try natin, guys. Naka-special siya. $4.50. Try tayo isa. Hello, baby. Sana mahanap ko dito yung hinahanap ko, B. Hanap ko yung... Ayan! Hala. Stick mixer. Yan nga yung hinahanap ko. Pero sa Kmart, ang mura lang nito. It's $42.95. Sa Kmart, like $15 lang to, guys. Pero it, feels legit. Feels really heavy. We'll get this one because we need it for your food. Para hindi na ako pumunta ng Kmart. Kasi going to Kmart meaning, pupunta talaga ako sa kabilang shop talaga. Meron tayong mga batang iniwan dun kina Nana. Now, I'm looking for containers. Paglagyan ko ng mga i-meal prep ko nga. This one looks alright. Ano ba yung naka-sale? Masyado ba tong malaki? Ano yung mga naka-sale? Mga naka-sale tong sistema. But I need something to put all my frozen stuff in. Wait, sabi. Para hindi na tayo pumunta ng Kmart, B. Ayan, o, naka-sale. $3.90 yung maliliit. But I think that's too small naman. Ito. Kaya masyadong maliit naman, B. I think yung kinuha ko perfect yun. Ito, $6.85. Ito, $5.50. Ito siguro. Okay lang siya, oh. Baba. Bait naman yung baba ko. Uy. Perfect din ito. Perfect din for baby food. Ay, dinosaur for kuya. Kaya lang wala na. Nabilhan ko na si kuya ng ano. Nabilhan na ni daddy, no? We'll get that too. What else do we need, baba? Nandito tayo sa Drake. So, check natin yung chicken nila, guys. Oops. Sorry. Yung Milko Foods. Ito na lang nag-iisa na tira. It will expire 31st. Anong date ba tayo? Ngayon. Ngayon na expiration. 880. Hindi ko pa yan na-try. Ba't wala nang iba? Yeah, 31st tayo ngayon. Hala, ubusan sila, guys. Ilang weeks na kaming wala nung chicken. Kasi every time pumupunta si Dan sa shops, wala na siya. Naka-sale yung kanilang spices. Konti lang naman yung savings. 20 cents lang. But, I'm looking for pepper. Walang pepper, di ba, guys? Or nabubuta lang ako. Wala ako nakikita ang pepper. Cumin, curry. I got the garlic powder and garlic salt. Merong mga pepper dito, but it's not ground. I want ground. Angel is sleeping. Tignan nyo itong mga naka-sale dito. This one looks fun. But hindi ko makita kung ano to. Speedy squid. Ito yan. From $8. Bili natin yan. Dali natin sa ating bakasyon. And then this is only $1.90 from $5 for 3 to 6 years old. Bili tayo. Ilagay natin sa box. May half price na bonds. Size mo ba to, be? 18 to 24 months. I need 6 to 12. 6 to 12 months. Dito tayo sa food. Nahanap ko yung teething rusk. Yung gustong-gusto ni Ayla noon. Yung parang teething sticks. Kaya lang too late. Lumabas na yung ipin. Pero, 4 more ipin coming. Asan yung gustong-gusto ni Ayla? Wala din dito yung milk mo, baba. Punta tayo spotlight saglit. Before tayo umuwi. Naka 40% off ang kanilang bath mat. Gustong palitan yung bath mat namin. Let's see if they have a big one. These ones look big. Ito. Hindi maliit. Maliit.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door.
Hello.
Hi! Letting you know I'm finished here and I'm on my way.
Okay, cool. No worries.
Yeah.
Indy asleep or awake?
Yeah, she's asleep, so I'll just take
Okay,
the
I'll
kids
get
if
it.
that's okay.
Yeah, no problems.
Yeah, thank
Just
you.
here, I don't care.
Mali yung direksyon mo, Inday. Taka-taka ka, Inday. Balik, Inday. Oh my gosh, your backpack! Hi! Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you tell Mommy
what you done?
What did you do?
I chocolate.
No, what did you do?
You had chocolate?
Yeah.
But why did you have chocolate? You tell her.
Why did you have chocolate? What happened?
I don't want
Oh,
chocolate.
the side. Sorry, thank you.
Two weeks?
I don't want chocolate.
Did you do 2 weeks in the toilet?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
No problems at all.
Baby, I miss you.
What you got?
I got some cold rolls. We can have this later at home. Yeah.
We buy it?
I did buy it, yes.
Yeah, no.
I got low tide pressure.
Oh, so what's that mean?
Yeah. All 4. See?
Oh, what's
On my
that
screen.
mean?
It's just the air, isn't it, Pete? Or
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, you got flat tire? You got flat
No,
tire?
not flat. Just low. Yeah.
So you need to be pumped up.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, Dan will do it.
Then I'll do it.
Yeah, easy. But yeah, all 4 of them are low.
Mama.
Yeah. That's alright. Did she? Oh my gosh, you're so lucky. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you guys say to Nanny and Papi?
Thank you.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
And remember, Mummy and Daddy going out for dinner, and we have to go to bed. 3 of us. With Mum, you need to go to
Yes.
school, and so you
Yes.
come to bed with me. And when you wake up, Mummy will be there.
Down the side.
Bye, kitties.
Bye.
Bye. I love you.
I love you.
So sweet. Yeah, they always have a good day at Nana and Papi's house.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye. Mama,
Yeah.
can I have chocolate in that my lunchbox?
Yeah, you can. If you want.
Love it now. Now, Mama. We that home. And Mommy, I want it now.
What is it?
Now you put chocolate in our lunchbox, so I want to have it now.
Well, you can wait, baby, because Mommy's driving. I've heard you had a lot of chocolate at Nanny's house. Way too much.
How did you hear it?
Well, I just know when you go to Nanny's, you eat naughty food. But you know what? It's okay. So right now, no naughty food in the car. I'll let you have it when we get home. Because Nanny put it in your lunchbox, did she?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is sneaky of Nanny. Nanny is very sneaky sometimes, isn't she,
You
guys?
have it one, Mommy.
Maybe I will have one.
No, I only have 2.
Am I allowed to have one, guys?
Yeah. Oh, you said I don't like chocolate.
I don't like chocolate now.
But you want one. There's only 2.
There's only 2? Okay. One for you and one for Arlo.
And you, not you.
Not me. I don't like chocolates.
Is it yucky?
It's yucky for me, yes.
Mama, chocolate eggs?
Maybe one. One Kit Kat chocolate egg is nice.
Yucky?
I like Kit Kat.
Nice? What is
Nice.
Kit Kat?
The Kit Kat chocolate egg. I remember I liked that one last Easter.
I didn't like that one.
It's got some crunch inside. It's nice.
Do you mean the black one?
Yeah, brown, dark brown one. We are home. Tulog si Arlo. Gising ang dalawa kong prinsesa. Let's do a quick haul para ma-prep ko na yung pagkain ni Indy. I got this for my lunch. This is what I got from Spotlight. Ito talaga yung kakulayan ko eh. Ang ganda ng kulay, diba? Mas maliit ito compared sa gamit namin. But kailangan ko na kasi. Parang hindi na ganun kaganda yung tingnan yung rug namin. Tagal na nun eh. Naka 40% off siya. Di ko alam magkano, pero parang 50 something yung nabayaran ko sa dalawa na.
Mama, where's my bean? Dad.
There. Dante. Yeah, maliit talaga siya guys. But that's okay. Ganda ng kulay na ito, diba? Ay, cute! Ay, ganda ng kulay, di! Hala, that's a really nice color for a rug dyan sa ano. Yeah, maliit nga siya. But then again, that's fine.
Can I have both of them?
Yeah. Maganda din naman to. And then sa Drake's, ito na yung mga pinagbibili natin. So mostly for Indy's food. Nilagay ko dito yung iba kasi nga hindi ako nagdala ng bag. Nakalimutan ko. Napabili tuloy tayo ng bag. Speedy Squid. Lalagay mo ata ito sa tubig tapos gagalaw siya. So maganda siya for bali. Diretso natin yan sa luggage. And ito nakamura lang. $1.90. So $2 each. Tatlo sana. Kasi tatlo sila, diba? Kaya lang it says 3 to 6 kasi pagdating ni Indy ng Pinas, 1 pa lang siya. And I got garlic powder and garlic salt kasi nga naka 20 cents off sila. And we got this. Pwede ko na siyang pakainin ng 3 times a day. Good luck naman sa 3 times a day. Good luck sa mga trabaho ko. But that's okay. Kids come first, always. Butternut squash. Isang bag ng carrots. Bananas. Bumili din pala ako ng bread. And then bumili ako ng cucumber. Lagi ako nagsastock na ng cucumber. Kasi kapag hindi gulay yung ulam ko, naglalagay ako ng cucumber on the side para at least may gulay pa din akong kinakain. And then gusto ko itong itry, yung Dinamita. Dinamita talaga yung pangalan niya. Doritos Dinamita. Tapos maliit lang siya. So perfect lang, di ba? And I got this one from Kitchen Pro. So stick mixer. I got a pack of pears. I got these kasi naka 50% off siya. Yung Rainforest Fresh yung kinuha ko at saka yung Vanilla Orchid. And then I got these for Indy's food as well. Anim. Siguro mga $7 to. Sa Kmart, $5.50 lang. But then again, wala akong time pumunta ng Kmart kanina. And then I got these. Mga gummies. Pero ano daw sila? Natural. We'll see. Ipatry natin sa kids. Yan. And then naka-sale yung buns na Zip Wonder Suit. Kasi ito na nga, yung mga long sleeve na nga yung sinusuot ni Indy sa gabi. Kasi yung swaddle niya is sleeveless na swaddle. Now, let's put it away so we can start preparing her food. Okay, baby! Alright, to be continued. Alright guys, so the first combination I'm doing is sweet potato, carrots, and butternut pumpkin. So I will steam. It will take a while, but that's okay. Kasi maramihan nga yung gagawin ko. So I will do 2 layers of steamer. Yeah. I love hot. That's good.
It's a nappy.
Yep.
And your hot?
Kulang pa to guys ng pumpkin. Isusunod ko pa, isi-steam ko pa yung pumpkin natin. Pero unahin ko muna to. Meron din naman akong blender dun. So combination na to ng carrots at saka sweet potato. You can't even see the difference. You can't tell. Pareho sila ng kulay.
Happy.
You happy?
Yeah, that's happy. It's me. And
Ilagay ko lang dito yung next batch. So, ito naman is our second combination. Ano siya? Potato at saka butternut squash. So, ilagay ko siya dito sa ilalim kasi yun yung malaki. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng squash only dito sa top kasi kulang pa to ng squash, diba? Ayan. Para, while we're working on this is steaming as well. So, that's good. Matrabaho siya, matagal matapos, but at least isahan na lang. Ang bango, guys. First time ko actually gumamit ng ganito. Mag-boil pala ako ng tubig, guys. Kasi boiling water yung nilalagay ko dito, hindi milk. Pero pwede din milk yung ilagay nyo. At saka hindi ako naglalagay ng seasoning. Yan lang talaga yung pure na gulay or prutas, tapos tubig. Labas na din natin to, guys. Guys. Aww. He said, I love you guys. Kita yung ulo na dudong ko nun. Oh my goodness, Indy's awake. Indy's crying. Yep, I got her. It's okay, don't go there. I'll go there. Hi. Yeah, you're awake. What do you think about this? Does that look good to you? That's your love? That's your num-num? Yeah. It's so yummy. Do you want it? Do you want to taste? Num-num! Num-num! Nag-apron ako kasi tumatalsik. Pinitry ko lang siya. Happy ba ba? Such a brave girl, oy. Alright guys, this is the finished product. So ito yung pumpkin, sweet potato, and carrots. Ang dami na nito guys. Ang gagawin natin next is ilalagay siya sa ice cube tray. So these are perfect.
Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. I should've let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I am sure. If I spend all my days searching for gold, I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song. Time and time again, foolish I know.
Guys, this is our last combination. Ito lang muna yung gagawin natin today. Kasi pa-dinner na. Hindi kasi nakakadiretso yung galaw ko kasi si Indy apaka-clingy. Ngayon lang ako nakapahinga sa kanya kasi nandito na sila. Pero kailangan ko din mag-prepare na ng dinner para sa mga bata. May dinner na kami ni Danny yung sa Costco. So bukas na lang yung iba. Kasi kulang din ako ng ice cubes. So ilalagay ko to dito. Pumpkin, potato, at saka broccoli. So lagay ko dito. Ito yung ulam namin today. Prawn tempura taco kit from Costco. So, i-air fry ko lang to. And then, i-microwave yung tortilla. Meron din siyang kasamang sauce. Is it good? Sakit ng likod ko sa'yo, Indy. Ay! Parang ang sarap nga. In-air fry lang to, oh. Lagay mo. Hindi ko in-air fry lahat kasi ang dami. Oh my gosh, parang ang sarap nito, babe. Tapos meron siyang tomato.
Come on, man.
Keep eating, please. Sit down and keep eating. Tapos coleslaw. Yeah, jump it.
Yeah. Hello. Be good.
It's good. I just realized, guys, ang lalaki nito. Kapag nag-melt to, malalaki yung portions. But that's okay. So, ito yung first batch natin. So, this time, hindi ko na pupunuin.